How's it going, YouTube? So I thought I'd do a quick little update here. I just planted all of my melons from the totes. I have the sand in them. There's the tomatoes and lettuce. Still got those in the sand. But transplanted them. Got 3-quart, at least 3-quart. 1500 milliliter plus, whatever that comes to. Got them at the dollar store. Spray painted the lids black. Ordered 1.2 to 1.5 gallon grocery bags, garbage can bags off of Walmart.com, and they're just kind of generic. I'm using 2, and that's supposed to block out any sunlight going into it, and it does a decent job so algae doesn't grow. But yeah, there's my update. This is about 2 weeks since I planted the seeds, and as far as I remember, or can remember, these are cantaloupe. I gutted a cantaloupe that I bought from the store and last year, and I put the seeds in the food dehydrator on low. Looks like they did pretty good. They pretty good turnaround for sprouting.